Story time with Fergie and friends.
Philip, yay! Thank you, Philip. It's lovely to hear you again and for you to do this reading. Thank you so much for being so kind and giving up your time. Amazing.
Hello everybody, my name's Phil Boyd and I have the absolute pleasure of being with you today to read one of my favourite children's stories of all time, which is Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Now, this is a very special book to me because only last year I was very lucky to be allowed to go to my son's school and read this book to my son and his entire class. But when I read that book, I asked for your help, the class's help, so now I'm going to ask for your help too. So what I need you to do, and I've got my own little helpers behind the camera today, I'm going to ask you, when the bear snores on, to say, as loud as you like, snores on. But after that, you've then got to go... Is that all right? Is everyone going to help? Are you going to help, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to have to do this one-handed, so bear with me.
Bear.
That is a bear.
With me.
Okay, so hopefully you can see all this. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Oops. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear
Snores on.
This is my favourite bit, I hope I get this right. An itty bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear
Snores on.
Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps. Burp. Badly. But the bear
Snores on.
A badger scuffles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew.
Chomp, crunch.
That's it, chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear
Snores on.
A gopher and a mole tunnel in through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. And they tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear
Snores on.
In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear
Achoo.
Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Oh no. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Very good. You sneaked into my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping I've heard none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. But the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends
Snore on. Mini ones.
I really hoped you enjoyed that story. It's absolutely my favourite children's story to read to my children. Take care, everyone. Keep reading. Be safe.
With Fergie and friends, with Fergie and friends.